Hi friends, let me show you this new GPS pet electronic fence equipment. It is really useful if you have a medium to large dog and you want it to be around a specific area in a large place, a large lawn or patio, okay? You use it like a regular collar for your pet and it will help you to train him to stay in the area that you intended to be, okay? You get a really comprehensive user manual. Remember, this is not an automatic equipment. You have to train your dog so you are able to do it and your pet is able to understand what it means, okay? This is a testing accessory. This is a charging cable, USB-C. These are different tips for the collar, depending on the size of your pet and the length of its hair. Okay, this is the charging adapter, and this is the actual collar. As you can see, you can use it in different lengths. You could even cut it. These are the tips, connectors. We are going to, to test it with a small tips, as my dog is not that big. Okay. It has three different warning options. Okay, here you charge it. We turn it on with this one. Okay, there it is. Okay, the battery is fully charged. As you can see, we are going to turn it on. And it will look for the satellites. We have a few satellites, GPS satellites locating, and we are going to set the distance at the lowest, 65 feet. Okay, so we are ready. Whenever the dog goes away more than that distance, it will signal it. Let's try it. Even with a sound, vibrating or with an electric shock. We have it right now with a beeping. Okay, and it keeps telling us where the satellites are. You get in the display the number of GPSs that it's detecting, the distance that you select. You can select from 65 up to 3,280 feet. Okay, all that distances. You can set the speaker on or off, the vibration mode on or off, and the chock option on or off. Also, you can set it to remember all the settings. It can give you the heart rate of your dog and the steps. The temperature, it's now 96 Fahrenheit degrees. And well, these are some instructions. If the device is inaccurate, you can press this and it will search again for the satellites, okay? So, well, great option, too many features. As you can see, as it goes further than 65 feet, it beeps and it signals the dog that it's farther than it should be, okay? So, this way, if you train him as it should be, they will learn not to go farther from the distance that you establish in the GPS collar, okay? So if you have a medium to large dog and you want them to be free in a large area from 65 to a few thousand feet, you can use these collars, and if you train them right, they will be really happy going by themselves up to the place where you decide. Thank you.